We're back.
We sure are.
Okay, so we went on vacation in Nantucket, Massachusetts. It's a little island.
Off the coast of Cape Cod.
Yeah, so we have been going there for a while with our family. Maybe you want to give people a reason why
Sure, yeah.
we like to go?
Well, first of all, it's an awesome place to visit, but my family's had a home there since the early 90s. And growing up, we would go there and spend our summers and, go to the beach and go fishing. And I guess I have a lot of really great memories from my childhood going there. And it's really fun that we can still do that with our kids now. And they can kind of walk the same roads that I walked when I was a little boy. So when we go, we have a ton of things that we like to do to fit in every time. And each time it's special. Even though we do like the same thing every time, it's always a blast.
Yeah, we have our little Nantucket traditions, and year over year seeing the kids growing and the memories that we're making, and just imagining Chris being there as a young child and seeing our kids now get to be there. And I feel so lucky and blessed to be able to come to Nantucket. It's become one of my favorite places to go. I think it's so beautiful. And I will definitely include some photos and videos probably at the end of this video of our time there, just because it's really beautiful. And if you ever have the chance to go, or you want to explore it, or if you ever have any questions about it, we certainly have our favorite things to do on the island and our favorite places, and we'd love to share more about that as well. So if you're interested, let us know.
Yeah.
If you want us to go more into that.
Yeah, so stay tuned for pictures and videos. And I'll say this, it was kind of, and I think we probably spoke to this earlier, but it was kind of a send-off, if you will, kind of a first step of our journey that we're gonna embark on here.
Yeah, so we closed on our house on the 6th. We got on an airplane on the 7th to go to Nantucket. And this trip was planned like a year in advance. We did not set this up that then we would jump from this to this that quickly. But it was really the perfect way for us to just kind of go, disconnect, take a deep breath after all of the moving chaos. And so we went there, and we had other family come, and great cousin bonding time. And great bonding time for our immediate family as well after the busyness of moving. So it was awesome. It was really great.
It was really fun, and it was really nice to spend the time with the kids and do all the things that they wanted to do. As kind of any parent knows, vacation is usually full of doing things for your kids. But it was great. It was some time that we really enjoyed, making their dreams come true. So it was really a lot of fun.
Yeah. And then we got back, and we've been catching up on sleep because we're all very tired. But we've had so we came back to North Carolina, and we've been staying at Chris's parents' house, and that's been really great because it's familiar. We are cozy and comfy here. But we had a few things that we needed to do. So we got back on a Friday. On Saturday, we went and we traded in both of our cars, and we got one car. So now we're gonna live this whole one car lifestyle, which is kind of exciting, and we love it. It's a suburban that will fit all of us, and the 2 dogs are gonna be in the back as we travel. So we've just been getting all the things that we need done for that, and then we've had a couple appointments that we've been trying to squeeze in, and last minute friend visits, which has been so awesome to be able to have a couple last goodbyes before we leave.
So long. It's not goodbye.
See you soon. We keep saying like we're gonna come back. We're so lucky that we'll be able to come back here to North Carolina and hopefully stay with Chris's parents from time to time. And then we'll have Colorado. So we have a few options that we can see family and friends.
But it's been really fun to see our friends and say so long. And we've made some really great friends over the last 10, 11 years here.
Yeah.
That we're going to miss. But like I said, I don't think this will be forever. We're just kind of, I think, going on a little bit of a adventure.
Exploring.
Yeah.
Exploring a new, different way of looking at life. So we've been doing that. And now, tomorrow morning, we're going to wake wake up and we're gonna start driving to Colorado. So we're very excited. It doesn't quite feel real that this is like now the next big step that we're doing.
Yeah.
But we've also been like, I've also been preparing for the drive with the kids. Like I got them some Kindles. The older kids, I got them Kindles to surprise them with on the drive, and I think that'll be awesome. When you get a Kindle Kids, you get a subscription for a year for books. So like I've been just downloading a bunch of books for them, and our kids are really avid readers. So I know they're going to be really excited about that. And I like the Kindle Kids because there's no games, no other apps. It's just reading. And I love that idea. If they're going to be on screens, that they're just focusing on their reading. So yeah, we've been preparing mostly for the ride. And yeah, but tomorrow's gonna be a big day, so
yeah, so we hit the road, and maybe we'll do a video or two on our journey. We probably should, because we're stopping in some unique places. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we planned out our trip over the course of 4 to 5 days. Yep. And yeah, we'll update you on each place we stop in and what we experience, but we're trying to make it 6 to 7 hour travel days, so hopefully we get to each place by the afternoon so we can still have a moment to play and have fun and enjoy and check out some new cities that we've never been to, new states even.
Which is the whole reason for what we're doing, right?
Yeah. So that's the latest update, and we'll keep sharing where we're at. And coming up next is some Nantucket photos for you to enjoy if you'd like to stick around. Bye.